Good morning and Jai Gurudev student. Today we will discuss division of fraction. First one, division of whole number by a fraction. If we want to divide a whole number by a fraction, first we have to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Suppose this one is the example, 3 divided by 7 by 8. And this one 7 by 8 is the fraction, 3 is the whole number. 3 into, if we put multiplication sign in place of division sign, then we have to write this one divisor is the reciprocal of the given fraction. Now 7 by 8 reciprocal is 8 by 7. That's why 3 into 8 by 7. Now we simplify. 3 8 are 24 by 7. This one, if a whole number divided by a fraction. And division of fraction by a whole number. If a fraction divided by whole number, then first we reciprocal of this whole number 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Now 1 by 8. And in place of division sign, if we put multiplication sign, then reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Now 1 into 1, 1 and 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Next, division of a fraction by another fraction. If we divide a fraction by another fraction, then what we have to do? Suppose 1 by 7 divided by 3 by 2. Then 1 by 7, in place of division sign, if we put multiplication sign, then this one divisor, we have to write reciprocal of this one. That means 1 by 7 into, in place of 3 by 2, we write 2 by 3. Why? Here we put multiplication sign in place of division sign. That's why here we write the divisor reciprocal of the given fraction. Now we multiply 1 into 2, 2 and 3 sevens are 21. Next, division and multiplication of fraction. When solving the problem based on the both on division and multiplication, apply the principle of BODMAS, means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We have to follow. Like this, say here within bracket 3 divided by 4 division sign 1 by 6 multiplied by 5 by 9. This one first we have to remove the bracket. We simplify this one bracket portion. After that we multiply. Similarly, if it is given like this, then by applying the rule of BODMAS, first we have to divide. After that we multiply. Now we will discuss example number 2 from exercise 2.2. From exercise 2.2, question number 2, you will do. Now this one, here 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 7. That means a fraction divided by a fraction. Now 6 by 7, here we put multiplication sign, then this divisor will be reciprocal, means 7 by 4. Now we have to multiply 6 into 7 and 7 into 4. We can cancel here also. 2, this one 3, 7 7 cancel. That's why this one 3 by 2. This one our answer. Next, B. Here given 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. That means 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. Now 1 by 9, if we put multiplication sign, then we can write the reciprocal of 1 by 3 means 3 by 1. Now if we cancel by 3, This one 1, this one 3. That's why 1 into 1, 1 and 3 into 1 is equal to 3. This one our answer. Next, if we take question number C. Here given 5 1 by 5 by 1 by 5. Now 5 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. First we have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. And this, if we put multiplication sign, then reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Now if we cancel 5 5, then here left 26 by 1 or is equal to 26. This one our answer. Next, question number D. In question number D, 1 by 9 by 81 by 3. That means 1 by 9 divided by 81 by 3. This one means 1 by 9, here we put multiplication sign, then 3 by 81. Now if we cancel by 3, then 3 will come. Now this one 1 into 1 1 and 3 into 81 is equal to 3 1s are 3, 2 4 3. This one our answer. Next, 3 divided by 2 into 2 and 3 by 4 into 4. That means 3 divided by 2 into 2 and 3 by 4 into 4. Now, first we have to, according to, if we follow the BODMAS rule, then first we have to divide. That's why 3 divided by 2 and 3 by 4, then we multiplied by 4. That means 3 divided by 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 by 4. We have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction into 4. Now 3 into 11 by 4, reciprocal will be 4 by 11 into 4. Now 3 4s are 12 by 11 into 4. Now this one will be 11 and 12 4s are 48. Therefore our answer is equal to this one. Next, F, 11 by 99 by 11 by 33. That means 11 by 99 divided by 11 by 33. This one 11 by 99 into, we have to write the reciprocal of 11 by 33 means 33 by 11. Now this one 11 and this one 11 cancel, and 33 3s are 90, 33 3s are 99. That means here this one 1, this one 1, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. That's why this one answer will be 1 by 3.